So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the design library. The design library is a tool you can use to use the blocks that I've created for this theme. So for example, this is a block here. So you can take this block and use it on many different pages or add it to the bottom of this current page. So that way you can kind of custom create the site that you want. So if we go to the dashboard, for this tutorial, I'm using Find the Joy theme. So if we go to the dashboard and then we click on pages, I'm going to click on add a new page just to show you an example. So if we add a new page, you can give it a title here, and then right here at the top, let me move this down a little. Right here at the top is the design library button. So I'm going to click right here where we're going to create and edit our page. If you click on design library and then click on Studio Mommy, these are all the blocks I have created for this site. If you know which page and where the block is that you want to use, so let's say on the About page you want to use this block, you can click on it and it'll add that block straight to your site. And then let's say you want to use the whole page. So let's say you want to use the whole About page. So if we go to Studio Mommy, you can either click on About or you can click on Full Page. So Full Page is going to give you the full page for every page that's created on your site. So for this one is the resource page. So let's say I want to use this whole entire page on a new page I'm creating. So I can click on that page, or sorry, that block. And now that whole entire page has been added to this new page. You can do that on other pages too. So let's say on the home page that you're actually using for your site, you just want to use 1 or 2 blocks. You can definitely add those blocks to your site. So what else you can do is if you click anywhere in this, let's say you want to move this to the bottom or a few blocks down, you don't want it at the very top of your site. So how you would move that is you would click in this area. So right here at the bottom where it says page, row layout, section, you want this entire row layout selected. So this entire thing here. So you want to be sure you click on row layout. Once you have that entire row layout selected, because down here it works as breadcrumbs. It tells you where you're at in the editing process for that block. But we want the entire block, so that entire row layout selected. So after you click on that, just click on these arrows to move that block wherever you want it. You can move it up and down, wherever you want that block to go. So that's how you would move a block. Now let's say you don't want this block. You want to delete this block. You want to use all the blocks but this block. You can click on that, again, that section, that row layout. Be sure you click on row layout, because if I'm over here and I click on resources, you can see how the breadcrumbs change to text, because that's where I'm at in my editing process. I don't want this section because it's just going to select this middle section here. I want that entire row layout deleted. So I'm going to click row layout. I'm going to click on these 3 dots and I'm going to click delete. So that deletes that row layout for me because I didn't want that block. And then, so yeah, that is how you use the design library. Let me go over here to pages. So let's go to the About page just to show you what it would look like if you added something new to a page. So up here again at the top, we're going to click on design library. And then you be sure you're under Studio Mommy. Let's say on the service page, I really like this block and I want to add that. So I'm going to click on that block and it placed that block automatically at the bottom of my site. So as long as I'm under that row layout, I can click this arrow to move it to a different area that I want it to be at. And then you can see it's right there. And then be sure after you make any changes to your site, you click on the Save button or Publish button that's at the top right of your site.